Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the Pothole Detection project. This will be a complete web page. Let's scroll up, click on the Get Started Free. First you have to create the account, then log in with the same details. For that you have to enter the email address and password. Let's create the account. You have to enter the full name, John, email address, john@gmail.com. Then you have to enter the password and it will be minimum 8 characters. Confirm password. Password should be strong. Then click on creating account. It will create the account and open the dashboard where 0 reports right now and pending review 0. Let's upload any input image. My reports will be 0. Let's upload any image to model. I'm selecting a particular image, then click on analyze image. So it will process that image and detect the pothole. Severity critical, detected 1, and check out the report. This will be the report 3 submitted by John, and status timeline pending. This will be the annotated image and the original image. Let's click on the my report and it will show the reports. Now let's log in with the admin section. User have to enter the details of admin like email address and password. admin@gmail.com. Then enter the password. Then click on sign in button. Right now it will show the 3 reports currently, and the 1 will be the under review and 2 will be the pending. Total 3 reports and all are the criticals report. You can edit the status. Let's open the report 3. It will give the informations. Those are the 3 reports which is showing currently, and you can change the status as well. This will be the admin panel. Let's change the status of report like resolved. Then click on OK. Currently the third report is resolved. It will show the status. Let's upload any other image. Then enter the location, address, latitude and longitude. It will fetch directly from my current location. You have to allow the locations and then click on analyze image. Then model will analyze the image and pothole detected with severity high. Let's click on view full report. So this will be the annotated image and this will be the original image. Okay, now go to admin section and here there are 4 reports. You can edit the status as well. This will be the report 4 submitted by John and in the Ahmedabad address. Status pending right now. You can change the status. Action taken. We have removed the pothole. Then click on update button. So status action taken. Let's refresh. It will show the action taken status. Let's go to dashboard. Now there are 2 reports, action taken and resolved. Report 4 and report 3. One will be resolved. Let's go to profile and settings section. It will give the complete information about user like email ID, password and user. You can change the detail or update the password. Let's click on logout. This is the complete project. Let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.